Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone's rear trunk VIAIR compressor mount for Jeep's 2007 to 2017 JKU Unlimited Wrangler. Step 1. Remove the front two factory hardtop bolts located directly behind your rear driver's side seat. After removing the factory bolts, gently separate the hardtop from the tub using a flathead screwdriver or pry bar. Slide the ridge on the bottom of your vehicle mount in between the hardtop, making sure the screw holes align. Once you have your vehicle mount aligned, use a 13mm socket to screw in the included M8 hardware in the front factory bolt location behind your mount. The factory nuts may fall or move around while you're trying to install them. We recommend putting a finger underneath where you will be installing them to hold them in place. Step 2. Our part includes a tension bracket that sits between your hardtop and your compressor mount. This is to help keep your compressor and mount stable while on the road or trail. To install this, place the included adhesive foam on the bottom of your tension bracket. This will be the larger flat side that fits the M8 screw. The adhesive foam helps protect the hardtop's paint. Then, with a knife, poke a hole in the center hole and push your M8 screw into place. Screw it into place in the rear hole the factory bolt came from. Don't snug this bolt down yet. Step 3. Once you have your tension bracket in place, take one of the M6 button head screws, lock washers, and washers. Feed it through the tension bracket and topmost hole on your vehicle mount. Then, screw on your M6 washer and lock nut. Once the M8 and M6 screws are in place but not tight, we can add tension to the plate. Move the tension bracket as far towards the window as you can and tighten the M8 screw with a 13mm socket. Using a 4mm Allen key and 10mm socket or wrench, apply pressure on top of the mount towards the window. Tighten the M6 screw. You now have your mount tension to counteract the weight of your VIAIR compressor. Step 4. Our mount is designed to where your compressor can either face the left or the right depending on your preference. We recommend mounting the air compressor with the air filter facing towards the rear pillar. This gives it a cleaner look for routing the air hose behind the carpet. Direction will primarily be based on your preference and how you are planning to install your overall system. Once you have the orientation of your compressor the way you want it, slide the screws through the compressor mount. VIAIR compressors will use the smaller and slotted holes. Step 5. Slide your VIAIR air compressor onto the vehicle mount. The bracket's ridges on your air compressor should be on the outside of your vehicle mount bracket. While holding the compressor in place, take an M6 screw, lock washer, and washer. Through the compressor mount bracket, screw the M6 hardware into the welded nut on the vehicle mount bracket. Finally, with a 10mm socket and extension, tighten the 20mm M6 screws retaining your air compressor bracket. Then you're done!